Hey, hello and welcome to Ambition Success. My name is SK and in this video I will show you how you can incorporate or embed payment gateway in your website which is created under Google G Suite. So if you have not used Google G Suite and created your website only because of the lack of the feature which is payment gateway and accepting payment online, then those days are gone. Now you can do that in your website which is created under Google G Suite. And if you are my subscriber, then you already know that Google G Suite has a feature of creating website without hosting, without AMC and design charges. If you want to know more and if you are new about Google G Suite, then click on the link above and you will come to know all the features of Google G Suite, most importantly website. But if you are already aware of all those things, then let's get started and see how we can incorporate payment gateway in our website created under Google G Suite. So friends, this is my website ambitionsuccess.co.in and I have created this dummy page called Regal for the demo. So this is basically a page where I have some dummy services, 3 categories: silver, gold, platinum, and all the features of those plans and the subscription price of the same. Now at this point there is no option where the users can make payment and subscribe to these services. But if I have any button using which they can make payment and subscribe, then the purpose is solved, and that's the topic of today's video which I am going to show. So what I will do, I will open the editable window where we can edit those. As you can see, I will go to the page where I will embed this button. You can see here. So my intention is to put a button over here using which my viewers or whoever is interested about these services be able to make payment. For that I have used PayUmoney Gateway, and I would like to show you before the demo that I have 5 rupees in my account, and now I will show you how to do that. If you want elaborate video how to subscribe to PayUmoney and more about how I have started building my account or creating my account in PayUmoney, drop a note in comment section and I will follow that and will create custom video accordingly. For now, let's go to button, and here I can create some button, but for time being my button is like that. So this is the button. I have 5 rupees added here, and I can change the button color like this, button size like this, and here we go. Now we also have option here like customer name, customer address, customer email, customer phone. We can add fields also. Advanced option is here, like success URL when it is the payment is successful, where the window will go. Cancel URL, if somebody cancels the payment midway, what will happen? If something is wrong and the payment is failed, what will happen? I will not do all those things. I will simply update the button. Now updated, and here is the code. I will copy the code, and now I will go to my website, and here what I will do, I will use this embed, and I will use the embed code option and I will paste this. Now next, and we can see our button. Now insert. You can see button is inserted. I will adjust the size. I will insert some text, yes, like this. I have my button here. I will adjust this and then I will put it here. What I can do, subscribe, like that. I can align also to the middle. Now my website is ready with a button. So what I have to do, I have to publish it. So as I have published, so here I should be able to see the button. Let's refresh it. This is my website, not yet shown. See, I have the button. So what I will do, I will pay now, and here we can see I can write my name and pay now. So here also I have to give my mobile number for the confirmation, and then I can either use my card, my bank, UPI or wallet. I can use these wallets also. So what I'm using, I'm using the bank. So for example, let's see this one, HDFC. So I will blur this window for time being. And then I will submit. Now see, transaction is successful. Now what I will do, I will go to my account of PayUmoney and see, earlier it was 5 rupees. Now I should see 10. See, it is 10 rupees. So friends, like that you can also convert your website to a payment gateway and accept money online, sell your products or services online. More such videos I will upload in this channel in upcoming days. So if you want more such videos, then please subscribe our channel by clicking in this round button. दोस्तों, अगर ये वीडियो आप हिंदी में देखना चाहते हो तो हमारा जो दूसरा चैनल है वेज टू ऑनलाइन, उसको सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए. So subscribe both. Thank you for watching. See you in next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.